In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off shipping on Shopify. Whether you're transitioning to a digital-only product line or offering something that doesn't require shipping like a local pickup or a service, knowing how to adjust these settings is crucial. Let's begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control center for all things on your online store. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard, where you'll see a range of options. You'll want to click on Products. This section contains all the items you have listed in your store. A list of products should appear, and from here, select the specific product for which you want to disable shipping. You'll be taken to the product details page once you've made your selection. You'll want to scroll down a bit until you spot the Shipping section. It might seem like a small detail, but it holds the key to our task today. In this section, there's a checkbox labeled, "This is a physical product." By default, this is typically checked, as most products involve some form of shipping. In your case, you'll want to uncheck this box. By doing so, you effectively communicate to Shopify that shipping isn't required for this product. This step is crucial for items like digital goods, or if you are offering a service that doesn't involve mailing anything physical to the customer. Once you've made this change, it's essential to save your work. You can do this by locating the Save button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it to ensure your changes are applied. It's always a good idea to verify that this modification is reflected across your store. You can do this by previewing the product in your storefront or conducting a mock purchase to see the customer experience firsthand. However, if you want to disable shipping for all products, for example, if your store is switching to a completely digital format, you might need to delve into Settings on your Shopify admin panel. From there, head over to Shipping and Delivery. This area allows you to adjust your shipping zones and rates more globally. If your intention is to remove all shipping options, make sure there are no active shipping zones that could apply to any products. This action ensures customers won't be prompted to select a shipping option during checkout. And there you have it, a straightforward process to turn off shipping on Shopify. By making these adjustments, you ensure your store's operations align with the type of products or services you offer, creating a smoother experience for both you and your customers. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make additional adjustments, and as always, keep an eye on your store's settings to ensure everything runs seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day managing your Shopify store.